Alright guys, let's see if they have anything left in the tank. I know I've been ripping it for about 10 strong minutes on 8S. It's probably gonna die on me. XRT baby, big boy. Kicking up dust. I think it's, there it is. Let me see if I bring it back. Bring it back, come on back. I think it's dead. I think it's dead. Nope, here it comes. That's it right there. Whew, that thing's tough. Keep screaming for more. They want more. It's gonna give you some more and more and more and more. This thing's a beast. Last guy coming to notification bell. Kicking up dust and a lot of fuss. This thing's a beast. Last guy coming to notification bell, baby. Sunday, ripping it. Construction site. XRT by Traxxas 8S. Later.